Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone, where we explore the latest in technology and innovation. Today, we're diving deep into the DJI Avata 3, the next evolution of DJI's FPV drone lineup. This drone brings cutting-edge features, enhanced performance, and a truly immersive flight experience. Is it the ultimate choice for drone enthusiasts and creators? Stick around to discover everything this incredible device has to offer. Camera and imaging. The DJI Avata 3 redefines aerial photography and videography with its high-performance 4K camera. The drone captures stunning visuals with sharp clarity, vibrant colors, and an exceptional dynamic range. Thanks to its advanced gimbal stabilization system, the Avata 3 ensures smooth footage, even during high-speed or complex maneuvers. This makes it a perfect tool for professional-grade cinematic shots. Supporting HDR video and various frame rates, the Avata 3 gives content creators the versatility they need to produce standout footage. Whether you're a filmmaker, a vlogger, or just capturing memories, this drone has you covered with exceptional visual quality. Design and build quality. The Avata 3 continues DJI's legacy of combining compact design with rugged durability. Its lightweight frame enhances agility and maneuverability, while the use of reinforced materials ensures resistance to minor impacts during adventurous flights. The aerodynamic structure minimizes drag, enabling improved speed and stability. LED indicators add a touch of style and functionality, making the drone easy to track during flights. Moreover, the modular design allows for easy maintenance and upgrades, catering to hobbyists and professionals alike. This combination of aesthetics and practicality makes the Avata 3 stand out in the competitive FPV drone market. Flight performance. Flight performance is where the DJI Avata 3 truly shines. Equipped with an upgraded propulsion system, the drone offers greater speeds, agility, and precise controls. An extended flight time of up to 25 minutes ensures that pilots can capture more footage in one session. Enhanced obstacle avoidance sensors provide added safety, enabling the drone to navigate complex environments with ease. Customizable flight modes, including cinematic and manual options, cater to both beginners and seasoned pilots. Its improved wind resistance ensures stable performance even in challenging weather conditions, making it a reliable companion for aerial exploration. Immersive FPV experience. For an unparalleled flying experience, the DJI Avata 3 pairs seamlessly with DJI's latest FPV goggles and controllers. The goggles deliver high-resolution live streaming with minimal latency, providing a real-time first-person perspective. Whether you're racing through a forest or capturing scenic landscapes, the immersive experience will leave you thrilled. With intuitive controls and customizable settings, the Avata 3 makes FPV flying accessible to newcomers while offering advanced features for experienced enthusiasts. This balance of innovation and usability cements its position as a leader in the FPV drone community. Advanced safety features. Safety is paramount with the DJI Avata 3. The drone features omnidirectional obstacle detection and avoidance, ensuring a secure flying experience. The return to home, RTH, function brings the drone back to its starting point in case of a lost connection or low battery. Additionally, geofencing technology prevents the drone from entering restricted areas, keeping you compliant with local regulations. These features make the Avata 3 an ideal choice for worry-free flying, whether you're navigating urban environments or exploring remote locations. Extended battery life. The upgraded battery system of the Avata 3 offers up to 25 minutes of flight time, allowing for longer sessions and more opportunities to capture breathtaking footage. The batteries are designed for quick swapping, minimizing downtime during shoots. Fast charging capabilities further ensure you're back in the air in no time, maximizing productivity and creativity. Remote control and connectivity. The Avata 3's remote control system offers precision and responsiveness, making it easy to execute intricate maneuvers. The ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended flying sessions, while customizable buttons provide quick access to essential features. With an improved transmission range, the drone maintains stable connectivity even over long distances, making it ideal for capturing vast landscapes. The DJI Fly app enhances functionality by providing real-time telemetry, settings adjustments, and a live video feed directly to your smartphone. Find My Drone feature. Losing a drone is every pilot's nightmare, but the DJI Avata 3 minimizes this risk with its advanced Find My Drone feature. Utilizing GPS tracking, The drone's last known location is displayed on a real-time map within the app. Audible beeps emitted by the drone aid in close-range searches, even in dense environments. This feature ensures peace of mind and helps protect your investment. Conclusion: the DJI Avata 3 is a groundbreaking addition to the world of FPV drones. With its advanced camera, immersive FPV experience, and robust safety features, it caters to both recreational users and professional filmmakers. Whether you're an experienced pilot or a newcomer, this drone offers the tools, reliability, and performance needed to take your aerial adventures to new heights. Thank you for tuning in to Techno Trend Zone. If you found this review insightful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment below, and share your thoughts. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell to stay updated on the latest tech reviews, guides, and innovations. Keep exploring, keep innovating, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay inspired and keep reaching for the skies.